So welcome to our guide on the Sitzer Burnett class action lawsuit and its impact on real estate. So in 2024, the Sitzer Burnett versus National Association of Realtors lawsuit, they successfully argued that brokers offering a predetermined blanket offer of compensation was anti-competitive. So previously how it worked was there was a blanket offer of compensation on the MLS. So sellers would offer a set commission on the MLS covering a buyer's agent commission. So between the listing broker commission and the buyer broker commission, the total was probably between 5 to 6% of the total sales price. So the Sitzer Burnett lawsuit claimed that this system potentially inflated buyer's agent commissions and limited the seller's ability to negotiate these fees, restricting competition in the real estate market. So as a result, there have been 3 significant changes implemented. 1, buyer broker agreements. So buyers will now sign an agreement with their broker outlining the services and compensation before ever viewing any properties. 2, commission negotiation. So the buyers can request that the seller pay for their buyer broker fees in the purchase agreement when they make an offer, making it a negotiation point. And 3, MLS changes. So the MLS will no longer have an offer of compensation listed for buyer's agents. A seller's listing agreement will only cover the listing broker compensation, not the buyer's broker compensation. That is now part of the standard residential purchase agreement. So what this means for everyone. So for sellers, you now have more flexibility in your listing fees. However, be prepared. Buyers are probably going to factor in the buyer broker commission into their offer when they make the offer on the property. For buyers, what you need to know is you'll negotiate the broker's commission upfront. It's probably going to settle in the 2 to 3% range of the purchase price or a flat fee, but it's negotiable based on what the broker is willing to accept and what you're willing to pay. So when you make an offer, you can ask the seller to pay this commission. But if the seller agrees, great. If not, you might need to cover some of it or all of it yourself. But it's important to remember, sellers are motivated to complete the sale. And in most cases, all parties are going to be able to reach some kind of mutually beneficial agreement on the commission terms. So these changes are going to create a more transparent and competitive real estate market. However, they're also going to require that both buyer and seller be more informed and proactive in understanding and negotiating these real estate services. So remember, your real estate professional is here to guide you through these processes. Don't hesitate to ask questions about how these changes affect your specific situations. Thanks for watching, and here's to navigating the new world of real estate transactions. Stay tuned for the next lesson.